Hi. So we've got just a few more common trig ratios. This time we'll use a right angle triangle where we have AB is equal to BC, and we have that angle B is right angle, is a right angle as indicated here. So AB equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. AB equal to BC is 1 unit. And therefore AC is equal to root 2 units using Pythagoras' theorem. Square 1 to the square of that, and we find the square root, which is root 2. So if AB is equal to BC, we also have that angle. So that's right, AB equal to BC implies that we have angle A is equal to angle C, which is 45 degrees or pi over 4. So let's go for our ratios now. So we have that sine 45 degrees is the same as sine pi over 4. That's equal to 1 over root 2. In maths, it's conventional to write or to rationalize our denominator so that we have the third in the numerator. So if we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2, we have root 2 over 2. So we have a non-third in the denominator. Cosine 45 degrees is equal to cosine pi over 4. That's equal to 1 over root 2. Same result, root 2 over 2. And tan 45 degrees is equal to tan of pi over 4, which is equal to 1. Arcsine of 1 over root 2. So if we have 1 over root 2 and we want the arcsine of it, so let's write that in this box here, arcsine of 1 over root 2. Oops, running out of space here. I'll just say this. So arcsine of 1 over root 2 is pi over 4. So it's just going in the reverse order. We have this result and we want to find the angle. So the function arcsine will use this as input and produce the angle 45 degrees or pi over 4. Incidentally, that's also the same as arc cosine of 1 over root 2. We also get pi over 4. And arctan 1 is 45 or degrees or pi over 4. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. I'll see you on the next set of videos. Bye for now.